how to buy HoldOn4DearLife token. So this token came under the symbol of HODL. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go to below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and make sure to check the Telegram channel too. So this token is available on the screener. It's created 19 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 96%. That's mean your investment in safe place. This token trending number 4 on Binance Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token on this for me, as you can see. After that, what you need to do, and remember that this token and this is under the Binance Smart Chain. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitkit wallet. I will just log into my wallet first. So after that, what you need to do is select the Binance Smart Chain. This is the network. Select it. Click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. After that, click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT, of course, on your wallet to be able to buy this token. Now, after that, type how much you want to buy. In a while, you'll be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy HODL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.